Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Confirm the server address, port, and credentials are correct, and make sure the DB is running. Install the appropriate client library for your language, for example Scicop2 for PostgreSQL or a JDBC driver for Java. Once done, create a test database and a dedicated user with limited privileges, because least privilege reduces risk. Next, prepare a simple connection string template so you can swap host, port, database, user, and password without breaking them. You now assemble the connection string precisely. Include protocol, host, port, database name, user, and password so the client can authenticate. In code, open the connection inside a try/except block, set a sensible timeout, and enable SSL when connecting to production. Once connected, wrap statements in transactions, commit on success, roll back on exceptions, because that preserves data integrity. If your app handles many concurrent requests, make sure to use a connection pool to reuse connections and avoid overhead. You finish by validating queries against sample data and ensuring results match expectations. Run explain plans if performance matters. Close cursors and connections in finally blocks or use context managers to prevent leaks. Once done, deploy configurations securely, rotate credentials, and restrict access. If something fails, start with one key troubleshooting step. Check network connectivity and authentication errors, then inspect firewall rules and SSL mismatches. Logs on both client and server usually reveal the root cause quickly, so read them and iterate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.